Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In the first video, I have shown you about a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. In the second video, I have shown about a plus b plus c whole square, a minus b plus c whole square, a plus b minus c whole square, and a minus b minus c whole square. In this particular video, I will show you about a plus b whole cube and also a plus b whole to the power 4. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATS Tech Info, then please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video. Let's start our video. Here a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I have to prove it. First of all, LHS equal to a plus b whole to the power 3. After that, q means 3 times multiplied. A plus b into a plus b into a plus b. It can be solved in two ways. A plus b plus c into a plus b into a plus b. A plus b bracket square bracket start, then a plus b and a plus b multiplied, then it will be become a plus b whole square. Understood? That means a plus b, here a plus b into a plus b, that means a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b into a plus b whole square is equal to, I have already proved it, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Understood? I have already proved it. Then a plus b, a into, then a into a square plus b square plus 2ab plus b into a square plus b square plus 2ab. Understood? A into this particular term plus b into this particular term. Then expand it. Then a into a square equal to aq plus a into b square, a b square. Then a into 2ab, that means 2a square b, a square b. Then a into complete, then b into a square, that means I can write a square b. In sequence I can write a square b plus b into b square, bq. Then 2 b into 2ab, that means 2ab square. Complete. After that aq plus here is bq plus here is a square b, here is a square b, that means here is 2a square b, here is 1a square b, that means 3a square b. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3a square b plus here is ab square and here is 2ab square, that means 3ab square. Proved. LHS is a plus b whole cube and RHS is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus here is 3, sorry, here is 3ab square, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here is also a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. It is very easy, you can try it. Then I will show the next formula. Next formula is a plus b whole to the power 4 equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus a plus 4a bq plus 4aqb plus 6a square b square. How to prove it? Here LHS is equal to a plus b whole to the power 4. Then that means a plus b into a plus b to the power 3 It is already proved in the seventh formula. I have already proved it. A plus B into A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square 3A square B plus 3AB square. I have already proved it. Then bracket end. Lastly, bracket end. After that, it is equal to A into this particular term A cube plus B cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square plus B into that particular term A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B 3A square B plus, here I will write plus 3A B square bracket end. Then A into A cube, that means A to the power 4 after that A into B cube, that means A B cube. Done. Then plus A into 3A square B, that means 3A cube B plus A into 3AB square, that means 3A square A square B square. After that plus B into A cube, that means I can write it A cube B plus B into B cube, that means B to the power 4 plus B into 3A square B, that means 3A square b square, then plus b into 3ab square, that means 3 into, that means b into 3ab square, that means 3ab cube. Done. Then here is a to the power 4 plus, here is b to the power 4. After that, here is 1ab cube, here is 3ab cube, that means 4ab cube plus, here is 3aqb and here is 1aqb, that means 4a cube b. Here is 3a square b square, here is 3a square b square, that means 3 plus 3 6 a square b square. Let's see it is proved or not. Here is in RHS a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 4ab cube plus 4aqb plus 6a square b square. Here is also a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 4ab cube plus 4aqb plus 6a square b square. That means it is equal to RHS. It is equal to RHS. Proved. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATS Tech Info, then please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATS Tech Info, then please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video. Thank you.